2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, cold weather package, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, compass, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.